like what I see on the side, the scenery, or when I walk, the ground. I didn't realize that I was fascinated by it, but I guess I am. And that's basically being in constant movement, moving from one place to another. And I feel like that's what life is all about. We're always on the move. Even when we sit down at a restaurant or hang out with friends or go home, there's always another place that we're going to have to go or be at. Like, we're always going to have to leave our house or leave the restaurant or whatever. Like, we're always fucking moving. And, yeah, the only constant really is the land. If we are on the land. If we're on the water, I mean, the ocean is still going to be there. The sky is still going to be there. I mean, obviously, climate change, right? I don't know how that's going to impact everything, if the world is going to end, but, I mean, if nature ends, we end, basically. But I'm really fascinated by this, and I feel like whether we go up and down the stairs, or a hill, or if we go north, if we go south, if we go east, west, whatever, we're always moving. That kind of reminds me that in life, my own personal journey, my spiritual growth or whatever, it's not like going up stages. It's not a linear process. Like, I go there, I go here, I go there, I come back, and that's okay because of my process. So, I get mad or, like, get mad. I mean, sometimes I'm really sad or I put pressure on myself because I'm not at a specific place in my life, or I feel like, oh shit, I'm going backwards, or like, oh damn, like I haven't accomplished this, or I compare myself to other people, and it's like, oh my gosh, like their journey, or like, oh, I wish I knew what I wanted, and you know, that it would be so much more simple, but it's like, changes, you know, it's a process, like I'm getting ready to go to another place, and that's okay. If I have to go somewhere, I have to meet someone, and I'm late because, oh my gosh, I'm not ready to leave my house, or I get really in advance, and I'm like, oh shit, like I'm ready, so what's the point of staying home? I guess I'll go to the place that I'm supposed to be at, and I still get there, you know, whether I'm in advance or whether I'm late. And if I end up not going somewhere, well, perhaps I wasn't meant to go, I wasn't meant to be there, or perhaps, you know, I'm gonna get there when I'm ready, kind of like when I leave my house when I'm ready. So I want to start seeing life as constant in betweens. What does it mean to get somewhere? I'm gonna go somewhere else after. Like, why not enjoy, you know, the walk, the drive, the flight? Okay, what is it for both? I don't know. Anyways, it smells like trash because I'm literally sitting beside trash. But I'm also sitting beside nature, and it's so fucking beautiful. So fucking beautiful. But also, I'm like, they did put that part so that we can forget the smell.
You do? You've got something to hide.
Anyways, I think it's time for me to go.
Alright, so I'm back. I'm back with Yuku.
Not that we broke up, we're still in good terms, we're still together. I don't know if we're still in the honeymoon phase, but things are good. Things are good. I don't think I would ever break up with her. I think she would break up with me first.
I shouldn't say that because then that means that I love her more than she does. I just had another realization. I was saying how like the land is always there and it's like the constant. But you know, I realized as I was walking back that actually the land keeps changing. Like this park, like it wasn't like that before. They updated it or whatever.
Oh wow, I just said updated it or whatever.
It really depends on the impact on the people. So there's like a constant relationship, but also on the freaking land, you know? Like if they keep buying condos, of course it's like shit, you know? Like what does that say about the people and capitalism and whatever? And if there's gentrification, you know, like white people might be like, oh, it's so fancy, it's a good neighborhood, like good, I could see myself living there.
Welcome to my Caucasian home. Come inside.
But actually, it's shitty because it's taking away from the culture of the place and the people there. It's basically pushing them away to go somewhere where it's cheaper now. But anyways, all that to say that it really depends. Some changes are bad when it comes from a capitalist place, but some changes are good. I mean, when they happen organically or when it's for the people, you know. So I feel like if I live my life from a place of kindness and abundance, then I should be good. I should go places that I should go to, where I belong. And that's it. You know, when I go to a place and I don't feel good, it's like, I mean, obviously I need to check myself because sometimes it's me and, you know, insecurities and stuff like that. But, you know, like when you go somewhere and just know that you should leave. Like, you shouldn't stay there. The body telling us. Anyways, that's it. Yo, don't you find it so interesting how, like, comme toutes les racines ressortent à la surface? Oh my god, girl! What's up? Okay. Revelation. On les voit à la surface, and it helps us to walk. So like us, when we know where we come from, we know our roots, it helps us for like...
It guides us.
Yeah! Shit!
Wow.
Trees, you teaching me things.
Trees are life, man.
Thank you.